Next one, identity property. Identity property. G is a non-empty set, right? And star is a binary operation. Star is a binary operation. If there exists an element E belongs to G such that A star E is equal to E star A is equal to A for all A belongs to G, then E is said to be identity element with respect to star, and identity property is said to be satisfied in G with respect to star. Once again, what is identity property or identity law or identity axiom? G is a non-empty set and star is a binary operation. If there exists an element E belongs to G such that A star E is equal to E star A is equal to A for all A belongs to G, then we can say that identity property is satisfied with respect to star in G, and that element E is said to be identity element with respect to the binary operation star. Again, here I am taking set of whole numbers 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Here I am taking binary operation is equal to addition. Addition I am taking, right? Now 2 is a number belongs to W. 2 plus something is equal to something plus 2 is equal to, I should get 2 only. This is in the form of A star E is equal to E star A is equal to A, right? Yeah, the binary operation is nothing but plus, right? నాకు ఆన్సర్ ఏం రావాలి? I have to get 2. now ఏమైతే వస్తుంది? if I take this something as 0, right? 2 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus 2 is equal to 2 only, then we can say that identity property is satisfied if a 0, this 0 belongs to W or not. Yes, 0 belongs to W, therefore we can say that identity property is satisfied with respect to plus. Now if you consider any element, say x is any element in W, we are generalizing the case, x plus 0 is equal to 0 plus x is equal to x only, right? That means identity element with respect to addition is 0 here, whether 0 belongs to the given set or not. Yes, therefore identity property is satisfied. If you consider another example, if you consider set of natural numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now 3 belongs to n, binary operation is equal to addition only. Now here 3 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. Now therefore here 0 is the identity element, right? Identity element exists but does not belongs to n. This identity element is 0 here, 0 does not belongs to n, therefore identity property is not satisfied with respect to addition in the case of natural numbers, right? Whereas in set of whole numbers identity property is satisfied. That means identity element exists and belongs to the given set. Remember, in any number system, identity element with respect to addition is always equal to 0. Any number system means set of natural numbers, set of whole numbers, set of integers, set of rational numbers, set of real numbers, right? The identity element with respect to addition is always equal to, is always 0 only in any number system. Next property is, fourth one is inverse property, or you can say inverse axiom or inverse law. Again, same definition. G is a non-empty set and a star is a binary operation, right? If there exists an element B belongs to G such that A star B is equal to B star A is equal to E, then we can say that A is the inverse of B, or B is the inverse of A. Then we can say that inverse property is satisfied with respect to star.